So the last time I took this thing out here, I did a quarter mile with draggy on 37's and I think a 2-inch lift. Didn't really have anything else. So now I'm very curious to, I think I did a 488, 0 to 60, not quarter mile, sorry, 0 to 60 in 488. So now I'm kind of curious to see how it does. Not that I'm racing, I don't care, it's just for fun. Now on 42's, forged rims, UD60s, coilovers, lights, you name it, steering, everything. I'm really curious to see how this does. Being with it weighs a lot more now. So that is what I'm doing today. We're going to see how much I lost. I don't care. It's worth it. I'm not racing this thing, but I am absolutely in love with this beast. So let's do this. Let's see how it does. All right, so that's what you have. You have a 488 on 37s, and then after going to 42s and doing axles and long arm and everything you can name, went to a 622. So quite the difference. I ran a couple before that, and I ran like a 7 flat. So 622 was the best I could do. So yeah, so took a lot of time off of acceleration, as I knew it would. This thing weighs a beast now. This thing's freaking heavy. So but anyways, yeah, that's, if you ever want to know what the difference is, it's a lot. So anyways, I'm gonna make a video soon to go over everything. Like I said, almost done with this. It's filthy right now, but I'm gonna go through the whole entire build. So stay tuned, and I'll get that video posted soon.